mountain gendarme who know this area very well, and the ability to operate in an area, and after having flown over it with the ambassador, we were able to see how difficult it is to gain access to the zone. We're also using 10 helicopters and a military plane to help the investigation. All these exceptional resources are aimed at providing support for anybody who could have escaped from the crash, although the violence of the shock leaves us with little hope. By drawing on all the scientific and technical police expertise under the aegis of the Marseille prosecutor and the Dean prosecutor, both of them are here, and I'd like to thank them for being here, as well as the way in which they have proactively conducted this investigation. All these resources are being coordinated by the prefect of the department under my authority. Additional resources have been allocated to the Haute-Provence prefecture by the military area.